How to play Wuthering Waves smoothly on Android. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to play Wuthering Waves smoothly on your Android device with just a few easy steps. Whether your phone is high-end or mid-range, these tips will help boost your performance and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your device specs. First, make sure your phone meets the minimum requirements. You need at least Android 7, 4GB of RAM, and a Snapdragon 835 or better. But for smooth gameplay, aim for 6GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 865 or higher. Step 2. Close background apps. Next, close all apps running in the background. This frees up memory and prevents your phone from overheating or slowing down during gameplay. Step 3. Turn on game mode. Enable game mode or performance mode if your phone has it. On Samsung, Xiaomi or OnePlus, you'll find it under battery or device care settings. This will prioritize your resources for the game. Step 4. In-game settings. Now, open Wuthering Waves and go to Settings, Graphics, set graphics quality to medium or low. Turn off VSync and anti-aliasing. Set frame rate to 60 FPS if available. This balance keeps the visual nice and the performance stable. Step 5. Disable battery save. Disable battery saver and adapted battery while playing. This feature slows down performance to save power, which can cause lag during gameplay. Step 6. Use a stable internet connection. Use a Wi-Fi or fast mobile network. Even though some parts of the game are offline, online features need a stable connection to prevent delays. Step 7. Clear game cache. Finally, clear the game cache every now and then. Go to App Info, Storage, Clear Cache. This helps remove lag caused by junk files. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Wuthering Waves smoothly on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.